In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix NinjaTrader 8 data feed error. Now, if you're getting the data feed error, here's some tips and tricks you can actually do to hopefully fix your issue quickly and easily. So the very first immediate fix you can try is to restart your connection. So go to connections up top, and then here in the control center, of course, you want to go and click on disconnect next to your data provider. Then you have to wait for like 10 seconds, maybe like 20 seconds. And when that time passes, go back to connections and again click on it to reconnect. Okay, that's going to hopefully fix your issue. But if it doesn't, what you can also do is check your credentials. So again, go to your control center and click on connections and then go to configure. Here, of course, you can find whatever you're connected to, for example, bar chart, and make sure you actually go in here and retype your username and password, and make sure there's no trailing spaces, okay? So there's no double spaces or something like this, because that could actually interfere with your connection and make it not work and cause this data feed error, okay? That's one more thing that is going to help you, hopefully. Then what you can also do is try reloading historical data. You can right-click on the affected chart, and then you want to click on reload all historical data, and you can also go and reload Ninja script just to make sure, and that's hopefully going to again fix your issue. But if none of those worked, what you can also see is that you want to make sure that your subscription is active. So go to your account dashboard under tools up top and click on client dashboard. It's going to open up your dashboard. Make sure you have your market data plans active, and of course your futures contract hasn't expired requiring a rollover, etc. Make sure everything is fine in here. And if that's fine, you can also try disabling a VPN or firewall in case you're using that on your computer. Or last but not least, you can also try and clear your data cache. Now, it's actually quite simple to clear the data cache. I have a separate video teaching you step by step how to do this. So if you're interested and if none of the other fixes worked, go ahead and do that as well. And then hopefully we got your situation fixed. So that's really it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.